Alright guys, I just got back from BJ's with my husband, and as I said in my other video, I think most bang for your buck comes from BJ's when it comes to couponing and value for the amount of stuff you get. If you have a place to store it in your house, this is the way to go. So I spent some time and I figured I sort of got all the coupons that I needed. And like I said, for example, in this Reynolds Wrap thing, there's two different items in here. So BJ's takes 2 coupons. So this in the BJ's book, they gave you a coupon to apply to their already low price. But if you can find coupons online, you can bring them in and apply it to the sale as well. So for this one item, I was able to give 3 coupons. I was so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through and show you what I brought home. I ended up saving around, I think it was $37 this first time around. And basically, we have a little bit less than a month left of school, and we're diving right into camp. And I do full day camp with my kids, so even though it's summer, I still have to make lunches all summer long. So I geared up for my back to school, starting school, let's kick off camp. I'm not ending here, so I needed lunch supplies to continue out the year. So let me show you what I got. We started out with hummus singles. So these are from Wesley Farms. There's 12 in a cup. You can give them pretzels, you can give them pita chips, you can give them whatever you want to give them, but they're individually packaged, so I thought that was a really cool thing. Skinny Pop was a good deal. It was $9.49, and then it has a had a $2 off coupon. I wrote myself a note here to tell you that. So there was a good deal. It was already in the book, so I didn't even have to look for those coupons. Cheez-Its, my kids are obsessed with Cheez-Its, so of course I got them a box. And Reynolds Wrap, I already told you that was a really good deal. Again, these chocolate chip granola bars, these are some of our favorites, again, from the Wesley Farms brand, and there are 60 bars in here. This is what I'm talking about. You go to a supermarket and you get 6. You get 6. So you buy 6 for $3.49 or whatever your price is. You don't realize for $9 or for whatever. Let me see how much this one was. I can't find my receipt off the top. Let's just pretend. Let me actually, hold on. It's right here. Let's find Wesley Farms Chewy. Here, Wesley Farms granola. Guys, Wesley Farms granola, $8.79 for 60 bars, party people. I mean, if you do the division, I think that comes out to free. I mean, no, it doesn't, but you know what I'm saying. That's ridiculous. When you go to your supermarket and you buy 6 for $4, 2 for $5, let's just pretend the sale is 2 for $5. So you buy 6 bars for $2.50 at your local supermarket. That's a fair sale. Would you argue with me on that? That's a fair sale for a granola bar, true or false? Here you're getting $9, 60 bars. Give me a break. That's the better sale. So I got 89 tons of strawberries for $5.79. Are you kidding me? You all know how much berries cost. And again, over here, I wrote some of them down because we all know how expensive berries are. $9.99 for this many blueberries. I mean, my family goes through blueberries. They think it's air. I come in, I buy them blueberries, and they're just gone. So we got tomatoes. As you can see, I'm somebody that likes to buy a lot of fruit and vegetables. This whole thing of organic broccoli, frozen broccoli, organic broccoli, 4 pounds of organic broccoli. I wrote it down. $6.99. Organic broccoli, $6.99. You have to love it. Now, Pantene had a really good deal. They had a $2 off coupon in your BJ's booklet, and then I had a $2 off 2, so I bought 2 of them. $2 off 2 coupons, so I got a really nice deal on conditioner, so my daughter and I will be set for quite some time. Downy also had a great coupon in the P&G June excerpt, so of course I took advantage of that. And I believe they had a coupon in the BJ's booklet as well. I'm trying to reference my brain. But I think I doubled up on the Downy. I'm not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me. But either way, it was a really good deal. I mean, look at this huge Downy. And let's see, let's look up Downy. Let's find Downy. Look at this, $14.49 minus at least $2. I think it was $2.50. So let's say $2, it would be $12.49. $2.50, it would be $12. So $12 for this gigantic 37-ounce Downy. This is gonna last me, it says at least 12 weeks of freshness. So that's the whole summer. That's amazing. Goldfish I stocked up on. I needed to get some new Rubbermaid. So this is actually, this was $19 for 60 pieces, a 60-piece set. Again, I went with some Wesley cheddar cheese. Colgate, here's another great idea. They had a nice sale on Colgate, and I brought in 4 Colgate 50-cent off coupons. So I was able to save an additional $2 off this sale. Annie's Homegrown Variety Sacks. This is, again, I was really I was thinking in my head about lunches. So a lot of the stuff that you could see here is all snackable items on top of the fruits and the vegetables. I didn't get any meat this time around. You're gonna notice I didn't pick up any meat, but I did get a lot of fruit and vegetables and snacks. That's where my head was this time around. But I do go back and I get meat, of course, but that wasn't this particular run. Cucumbers, peppers, we're big snackers on things like that. We're smoothie people. This gigantic mixed fruit was gonna last us for a really long time. And then again, I have the organic sweet corn, 4 pounds of it. I mean, wow. Caleb goes through this Stonyfield Yo Kids organic squeezers. He also likes the pouches. They also like Danimals, but they don't like anything with banana. So unfortunately, I couldn't get the Danimals. I went with my coupons. I was all set to do that, but they only had strawberry banana. So I opted against it because I knew that they would fight me over it if I brought home anything with banana. This was for me. I'm sort of obsessed with pad thai, and this was a new item that I had not seen before. I did not have any coupons, but I was willing to take the chance because I am a sucker for a good pad thai and something that I could heat and eat. So there's 2 of them in here, 2 meal kits. And I don't know, doesn't that look fantastic? I mean, I want to like eat this for lunch. I think I'm going to. Rice Krispie Treats, always a pleasure. Sometimes I eat those as snacks at night. Again, the Wesley Farms, they have Gala apples. We like to eat those with peanut butter. And again, Skippy had a coupon that you could add. This was $9 and change. And then there was like a $2 off coupon. So I got these 2 humongous, what's the ounces? 6 pounds. 6 pounds, guys, worth of peanut butter for $7 and change. What? We're gonna eat peanut butter all summer long for $7. Okay, looping around, Bounty again. I had a coupon for Bounty. It wasn't that big of a coupon. I think it was like 35 cents. I'm not going to get you excited. It was a cheap coupon from the newspaper, but then BJ's in the book had something, so I was able to double up. And then the same thing applied for the bigger Bounty. I can't remember, but the book itself has a good deal. I told you about the Dawn already. Nivea had 2 $2 off coupons in the newspaper. I'm sorry, I printed it out online. So it was $9 and change with a BJ's coupon in the book. Came with $4 off. So I got those 2 beautiful 221 fluid ounce Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotions. I got it for $3 and change. Not bad. Galabani string cheese, reduced fat. Again, a really great snack. We're salad people. Wesley Farms organic spring mix. You know, a lot of people think that your big box places don't have a lot of organic options. That's something that I'm in some mom groups and I'm constantly telling them that's not true. You have to just seek it out. You just have to look for it. Of course they have organic. There's organic stuff everywhere. I'm somebody that happens to eat organic. Even the apples that I picked up were organic. If you want to eat organic, buy organic. It's everywhere. All you have to do is look for it. And I don't know if you guys know, but The bakery service of BJ's is delicious. Everybody in my town always gets their cakes from BJ's, but that's a whole different video. Their cakes are really fun. They custom make them and everything, but that's not really budget related. But we ended up getting Italian bread, sesame Italian bread, yum, yum, yum. This is what I'm having for lunch today with, are you cold cut people? Listen, I'm Italian, I can't help it. Pre-sliced, a bunch of varieties here. So we got yellow cheese, American cheese, honey ham for my husband, Swiss for my son, and then honey turkey. I like turkey. So either sometimes we roll them up and we give it to them without the bread, or when we have fresh bread, we opt to give them the bread. And then for all our vegetables, like I told you, we have the peppers and the cucumbers, and I thought I got tomatoes. I wonder if my husband left them in the car. Sometimes I put a little platter out for lunch and just have everybody sort of do like an antipasta instead of making something big. I got spinach dip. I am obsessed with spinach dip. This one is so good, guys, and if you want, you can microwave it for a couple of seconds before putting it out. I don't really know this brand, Good Foods. I wonder if it's like a BJ's generic brand. I'm not entirely sure. And then last but not least, we have, again, Wesley Farms, the Snack Nuts variety pack, because I think, you know, if you're looking to get protein in your kids' diets, you guys might not know this, but my middle child is 95% vegetarian. And I know you're going, what? That doesn't make any sense. How is she 95% vegetarian? Because she'll eat chicken nuggets. So she wants to save the animals except when chicken nuggets are involved. Yes, that's what I'm dealing with, people. So I have to make sure that I include avocado, edamame, nuts, beans. I get as much of that as I possibly can to make sure that she's getting enough protein and all the nutrients that she needs, because 9 times out of 10 that child is not eating any meat, and it is so frustrating. And if you are a vegetarian, and if your children are, I'm sorry if I am offending you in any way, but as a parent who has been dealing with this for 2 years, it is a little hard for me to wrap my head around it still. I'm still trying to work through this with my daughter and get her to eat healthy when all she wants to do is eat pasta. So that's where we are. She's a pastatarian. That's what we call her. She is a pastatarian. So here we are. There are the tomatoes. I knew I got tomatoes. See, I couldn't see them because I have so much stuff on the table. Yeah, so we do tomatoes with the dip. So that was my big haul. I have a huge haul, and this is gonna last us literally forever, like for a very long time. This is not, we don't go to BJ's every week. We go to BJ's, I don't know, like maybe every 2 to 3 weeks. We're a family of 5, and my kids are growing. I have 2 boys and a girl, and so, you know, and we are the house where everybody comes over. So you might be looking at this and saying, oh my gosh, this would last me a summer, but this is not a summer. This is 2 to 3 weeks, because my 10-year-old boy comes over with 3 of his friends, and they are tornadoes, and they come and they raid my kitchen, and then I'm just sort of like, wait a minute, what happened to the Goldfish pack that I just bought? And so that is the reality of a mom of 5. So that's it. So that's what I got at BJ's, and good haul, good couponing. I felt really good about it. No problems. That the cashier took it no problem. She knew what she was doing. She the one that didn't work, she popped it in right away. I felt really good about the experience. My one regret is I wanted to get the Dublin cheese. I don't know if you like Dublin or cheese. It's like my favorite cheese, and they have huge blocks at BJ's. And I didn't get it. I was really upset. I forgot to get it. So that sort of bummed me out. But there's always next time. All right, party people.